You need to come down the stairs. You need to learn to come down. Here. Not just up the stairs. Here, come on. Yesterday you got 2 down, but then you climbed back up. Here, come on. Oh, hi, kitty. There you go. Now, come on. You got more. Come on. Come down. The other. You can take a rest on this big step. Here, come on. Kitty. Kitty. Good job. Now, come on. Keep going. Keep coming. You got this. You got this. Hi, kitty. You want to come down the stairs too? Hi. Come on down. Hi, kitty. Why'd you come down? Don't go back up. No, don't go back up. Come on down. Here, kitty. Move. Move. Come on down. Good job. Now come on. You got a couple more. You got a couple more. Come on. Careful. Don't bite him. Come on. Come on down. You got this, human. You got this. You got this. You are so pro. It's time to get in shape. Yes, I'm literally like crawling down the stairs while sitting, so come on. Yeah. Come on. You got this. You got this. Hey, come on. Kitty. You can come down too. I got plenty more stair to go. Ooh, good job. Hey, come on. You got some more to go. Good job. Come on. Your kitty's still out there. The birds are gonna beat you, kitty. You know you're faster than this. You're just cleaning yourself. Just cleaning yourself right in the middle of this. Now come on. You got a couple more to go. Come on. Yes, that's the ceiling. Somebody's upstairs. That's what you hear. Here, come on. Kitty. Here, come on. You got a couple more. Come on. Good job. Okay, you got this is the last big one. Last big step, and then you're all the way. Come on. Kitty, you're still up there. You're not trying to clean yourself. Lights up there shining. Come on. I need to eat breakfast. Hurry up. Kitty! Come on. Yay! Kitty, you made it. You lost. You lost the race. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Now, come on. You can at least get in second place before I make it downstairs. Then you'll be in third, and then you'll just get a bronze medal. So, come on. Come on. There you go. Here, come on. You got this. You got this. You got this all the way. Now, come on. You gotta make it to the rest. There's a couple more. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I need to make some cookies later or something like that. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job. Now, come on. You got 4 more stairs to go. You're more than halfway there. Now, come on. You can do it. I believe in you. Hey, it's a cloudy day outside today. Yeah. You can do it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You got some more 5 minutes into this. You can do it. I believe in you. You need to work out those birdie legs. Sooner or later, when your wings grow back, you can start flying. Yeah, flying away from him. The cat. Now come on. You got 2 more. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Do you believe in him, kitty? Yes, you can. One more big step to go. And then you'll be the greatest birdie. Now come on, silly. Come on. Cheer for him, kitty. Motivate him. Motivate him. No, you're just gonna run away? Okay, fine. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. You're already going up the stairs. You know how to do that. Do you believe in him, kitty? Yay! 1 more to go. Don't knock the boxes. Hi, kitty. Hi. No, don't worry about the boxes. Literally, don't worry about the boxes. Here, come on. Come on. Come over here. Come on. You're getting distracted in those obstacles. Run away, kitty. Come on. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. 1 more step to go. You're a winner. You're a winner. Come on. Come on down. Yeah. Come on. Cheer for him, kitty. No, don't poo on the stairs. I'll have to clean that up. Yeah, kitty. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Come on. Come on. Cat. Stop. Or do that. Come on, birdie. Show the cat who's boss. Just come down the stairs. Just come down the stairs. You got 1 more. You got 1 more. What are you doing, cat? Kitty. Come on down. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Cat, stop, kitty. Yay! Beat him up. You did it. Good job. Say hi. But you can't talk yet, so I'm just gonna have to wait on that. You did a good job. Good job, buddy. You are the champion. You win a bronze medal though because you came in last. No, not that. You came in second, kitty. You get a silver medal. Well, actually, you came in first, so you get the gold. I get the silver medal because I came in. Wait, no, second. You came in last. Good thing you didn't come in fourth. So there you go. Why'd you boop, everybody? Come on, boop the camera. Boop it. Yay! Boops for everybody. Okay, bye.